guys, guess what dey inside this carton before I unbox am? But before that, let's do the unboxing video to see what dey inside this small carton. Come with me, let's go there. Guys, if you get shower, na be say correct. But make you unbox am and see which color of shower na dey inside. So the first thing we have to unbox it. Oh my god. Can you see that? See that view? Use something the good so na shower na dey inside and a white color. This one are the shower rooms. Very fine. This one are wetin? This one are for the hand shower. Not for the hand shower. Okay? These are the clip to the wall. So like before the hand shower get hand shower and spray gun. So this are the spray gun. This are the clip for the hand shower. Renco, of course, every shower must have this. Then this one are the hose for the spray gun. Let's see, this is the hand shower. My God, see the hand shower. I can't wait to review this. Very sweet. And we have the Unbox shower beside here. Are you ready? Are you ready to see this? Ta-da! Oh my God, it's so beautiful, right? Do you like it? Yes, I don't say all of them. You say, make sure you get enter inside this small pool. You don't get shower pool. I won't say I never train on the shower pool. Eh? I didn't save them for the last. Oh. Here is it. So it gets pool. All this one are adjusted. Now only you go piece them together. Alright? So that all this one now, if you put them together, before you look, it don't long. Well. So guys, come back for the installation. You don't want to miss this.